Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you Lulu's product. It's a huge that complex of market, everything. It's a Lulu and they have a product known as Navratan mix. It's a Namkeen and the total weight of the pack is 200 gram and this green mark shows that it's pure vegetarian. So good. I'm gonna open it and let you know how it tastes. And one more thing I'm gonna tell you with the cutting of this. Over here, if I don't know whether it's visible to you or not. Yeah, it is made in India. Very small area they have written it at. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna show you what it actually has. These are the grains. It has peanuts and some kind of bhujia, and this is a dal, fried dal, and there's some kurmura also like this. So it's a combination. It's a Navratan mix, means all the good ingredients are involved in making this product. So I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it it's very spicy, very good. I love it. It's a kind of snacks you can have anytime. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.